Exactly 1 year ago, the price of an egld was $7.50. With an investment of $2,400, you would now have over $100,000. It is definitely the dream of every investor. But is it too late? Of course not. Stay with me until the end to see why. We will do a very quick analysis for egld. Welcome everyone on Be Successful, your favorite development channel. The place you always leave smarter than you came from. If you are new to the channel, don't give up a subscription so we can continue quickly. If you are already a subscriber and you are convinced that this video will bring you value, give a quick like here too, so you don't waste time at the end. Let's take a brief look at the price for a single egld. Today, November 14th, an egld is worth $315. In case you find it expensive, stay until the end to see the true potential. Only in the last 4 months the price of an egld has increased more than 4 times. Starting at $69 a pound in July. It can be seen on the chart that in the summer we had a very good period of accumulation. I hope you all took advantage of it. Today we have in circulation a total of just over 20 million egld, of which 12.3 million are at stake and 7.7 million are available in wallets. Here we have the graph with the evolution of the total number of users. It is very likely that these days we will cross the threshold of 1 million. We can see on the chart an absolutely brutal evolution. At the beginning of February, in just a few days we had a tripling of the number of users. And in October last year, we had a doubling again in just 2 days. For the rest of the year, growth was steep. The egld project has benefited from a very rapid adoption despite the fact that it has not yet invested at all in marketing. We go further and see the total number of egld that secures the network at this time. We can see a slow but clear growth trend, which means that more and more egld holders opt to stake or delegate. Hovering over this data, we can see everything in much more detail. I will not read all the parameters, but you will find in the description of the video a link to deepen the research. To date, we have over 50,000 transactions on the egld network and over 10 million since its inception. We go further and we can see the current distribution of egld coins on exchanges. We can see that Binance has 2.5 million egld, which means over 10% of the total coins in circulation today. Smart move for Binance. It also holds 5 times more egld than all other exchanges combined. See the more details on the screen. We can see on the chart that on October 18th, less than a month ago, Binance acquired 2.5 million egld. Good news, but at the same time it has a great power to manipulate the price. With each egld that goes into a private wallet and decreases the amount of egld available on the market. This, in combination with the growing number of users, only increases the price very much. So we may soon find no more egld available on the market. Or if we find it to be very little and very expensive. Last but not least, we have the graphs with the Google searches and the specifications on Twitter. They may seem trivial, but they show the interest of the general public about the project. If you want to help the project, search daily on Google for news about egld, follow their posts on Twitter, and share them with your friends. Also, the interaction with this channel is very important, so don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe before sharing the conclusions of this short analysis. Now, taking into account all the data analyzed earlier, and adding to this the launch of the Maiar Exchange, I can only think of an even more massive price increase in the future. To recap, Binance owns over 10% of the total egld, and is only the first big player to buy so much. If another aspirant as thirsty as Binance appeared, he would take all the egld from the market. The amount of egld on the market is declining rapidly, and at the same time the number of users is growing exponentially. We still don't have even 1 million users. The project aims to bring 1 billion users. Think a little about what growth opportunity there is. True growth has not yet begun. You still have time to buy egld if you haven't already. Find in the description my affiliate link, and you will receive as a gift from me $10 if you invest through this link. You will also find many useful links in the description of the video. On the right side of the screen you will find another interesting video about egld, and on the right side you have the subscription button. Until next time, take care of your money.